Hello everyone, welcome back to Carl Fix, and today's going to be a really quick one about if your fridge gets water in the bottom of it under the trays that are normally at the bottom where you will hold your veg. And as you can see, mine is wet, and the reason for that is the condensation that builds up on the back of your fridge is supposed to drip down the back of your fridge and into this hole here. It runs down the back and evaporates, but over time this gets clogged up with mold, limescale, whatever else. Ours comes with this stick that you put in there, and you're supposed to jam it around every now and again, and as you see, all the crap comes out, and it's supposed to allow it to drain, but as you can see, ours still is not draining. So to try and help this drain further, you basically need to shove something longer down there and hope that you can unblock it. I've got the fridge turned off at the mains for this, just as a precaution, even though I'm going to try using this. It's basically a tie wrap, reusable tie wrap, to shove down there and see if, and there you go, see. Oh, I hope I caught that because I didn't think it was going to happen straight away. Shove down there and see if, but the water has drained away, straight away from shoving that down there. As you can see there, look at the crap that it's just dragged out. So now you can see on there, there's no water. So any further water that drains down the back of the fridge will now go down the evaporation hole, and you will no longer have a watery bottom fridge. Video in 2 minutes. Like, favourite and subscribe, because that happens to a lot of fridges and it's annoying, and I only just found out how to fix it, and it is as easy as that. So peace out and sub.